Hi everyone. Today we will learn about Arduino programming. Basically, we will learn about coding and basic. So let's start. Double click on Arduino logo. Now see, we can when we open an Arduino software IDE, we will find this. This is a new file, and we can find void setup and void loop. What is void setup and void loop? We will understand this thing in easier language. Think that there is a two buckets. One bucket name is setup, another bucket name is loop. Okay, we put two lids, one upper lid, one is lower lid for the both of the bucket, and we put void. Void means it's empty bucket, so we can put our code over here. Please remember this. The code that is we put in this setup bucket will runs only one time, and what we put in the loop bucket will run multiple times.